exercise isn't going to help you lose weight. 85 to 90% of your weight loss is due to what you consume or not consume. If you're interested in intermittent fasting and what I have to say about it during the holiday season, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're already subscribed, extraordinary family, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about my update on intermittent fasting and what I do during the holidays. Listen, y'all, we're out here exercising, we're out here intermittent fasting, but I'm going to tell you the truth. Exercise is good. However, really it's about what you're consuming. 85 to 90% of what you take in, what you eat, is going to affect your weight loss. If that's your goal, if you're trying to lose weight, guys, I have friends who work out almost every day and they cannot figure out why they are still the same weight. It's because, okay, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks. The main thing that I'm trying to say is exercise is good for you. I'm not trying to say that. I am a healthcare professional. Exercise is great for your heart. It's great for your metabolism. It's great. However, the problem is what we eat, when we eat, how we eat. So I have some tricks for you to try during the holiday season. I did want to update you guys on what I'm doing for my intermittent fasting. I used to do 16-8, and then I switched to OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, which I do have a video, I might put it right here, about my intermittent fasting and weight loss. When I first started intermittent fasting, I was doing the 16-8. Now I do the OMAD. 16-8 was great. I just felt like I hit a plateau and I was not losing the weight that I wanted to lose. I wasn't maintaining. So I changed to 1 meal a day. 1 meal a day is not easy, y'all. I'm telling you, it is hard, but you know, hey, I do it. Now, during the holiday season, like I said, I do plan to eat because I love food. I'm not gonna lie. Like even last night, I went out and I had, y'all, I was just, I don't know why, but I think around my cycle, I really crave carbs. So I had potato soup, French fries, and what else did I have? Coconut shrimp and a salad. I had a salad, but anyway, that was just too many carbs. So I ended up working out today because I felt guilty. Anyway, but when I do that, what my tricks are to keep me on track, and what I want to share with you is you have to mix it up. If you're constantly doing, say you're doing 16-8 and you find you're at a plateau, change it. So that means you have to either switch to every other day fasting for 24 hours or change it to 1 meal a day, something so that your metabolism doesn't get used to what you're doing. So you can just break that plateau. I'm not saying you have to do that forever, no. But in order to get through the holidays, you may want to try that. Because during the holidays, I know I gain weight hands down because I eat. Y'all, I love to eat. I love food. Anybody who knows me will tell you that. But I do it in moderation. I'm not a big sweet eater, so that's not a problem for me. But if you are a sweet eater and you like the pastries in the holiday during the holiday time, you're really going to have to use something, do some tips. And that is one of my tips, which is to change it up with your intermittent fasting. Now, exercise is good. If you're one of those who does intermittent fasting and you don't exercise during the holidays, add exercise. Now, the reason why a lot of my clients and a lot of my friends are not losing weight with their exercise is that they're doing the same thing all the time. You have to switch it up. So if you're walking every day, walking miles and miles a day, then during your walk, do a couple bursts of jogging, a couple bursts of sprinting, and it doesn't have to be far. It could be just, I don't know, a couple steps, not a couple, but you know what I'm saying. So like to the stop sign, to the next car or whatever. But switch it up, because you have to elevate your heart rate in order to burn anything off. So do that. That's another tip, to just, if you're not an exerciser and you're only an intermittent fasting, during the holidays, incorporate exercise. That'd be a good one. Also, a gallon of water a day. Hey, it works. So if you're going to be eating like crazy during the holidays, which is what I'm going to do, I am. But I will be incorporating all these things. I will be drinking a gallon of water a day, because I know I have to. And I'm not going to, I'm already sitting in the house all day. Coronavirus got me up in the house. So I feel like I deserve to, I deserve to eat what I want to eat. So that's what I'm going to do. Hey, don't come for me. Also, oh, my magic drink. I will be doing my magic drink. So, you guys know that I do this drink, and that helps me keep my food intake at bay. It helps you burn calories. It keeps your tummy tight. It keeps your tummy snatched and everything. So do that. I'll put the link, I think, here for the magic drink. Also, you need to be thinking about your hormones. So with intermittent fasting, why it works so well is because the time that you're not eating, your insulin levels are low. And when you're eating, your insulin levels have to spike. And so in the presence of insulin, you are keeping weight on. You're not losing weight, you're keeping weight on. So during the holidays, we tend to wake up and eat all day. And then your insulin level has no opportunity to drop, to keep you within the weight that you want to stay in. So you have to trick your body to stay, you know, where you want to be as far as intermittent fasting. I hope that makes sense. Sorry, y'all, I kind of jumbled that. But anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So just an example of how that works for the insulin. So say you wake up in the morning and it's the holidays, and you eat that breakfast casserole, or you eat that breakfast croissant or whatever, that bagel, then your insulin will spike. And you're not going to burn any stores. You're not going to burn any fat. You're going to be using the food that you just ate, and your insulin's going to be high. So if you can, put off that breakfast casserole until, say, maybe 11, or put it off until 12. That way you have the opportunity to still benefit from intermittent fasting, if you can. If not, you have to incorporate the other stuff that I was talking to you about earlier. You have to either do some exercise. If you normally don't, you're gonna have to go on and switch up, or shorten your window as far as your intermittent fasting. So if you're a 16-8er, go to an OMAD. If you're OMAD, go to every other day. Okay, the last thing and final tip is you want to, I think that was really the last and final tip. So change up your fasting. So if you're already a faster and you're already successful doing it, change it up during the holiday season, and that works well. For me, as far as the update is going, I am enjoying the 1 meal a day, but you guys, I find that it's hard to do. It's really not that practical. So what I've done, I used to have like a 1 hour to a 2 hour window that I did, but I've increased my window to 4 hours. So I guess I do 20 and 4 now. So that's really, I've increased it to a 4 hour window because that just works out better for my lifestyle. So that, and it's still 1 meal a day. It's just, I've opened the window so that I can, you know, enjoy something for a period of 4 hours. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you use these tips during the holiday. And oh, okay, so right now my current weight is 160. And when I started, I was at 186 or what, 186? Yeah, about 186 is when I started doing this whole intermittent fasting thing. So that's what that's where I'm at. I am normally between 150 and 155. I like my weight somewhere around there. My husband feels like I'm losing a little bit more weight than he likes, but I'm comfortable at this weight. So 160 is pretty good for me. I really don't want to lose any more weight because I'm losing my curves and I don't really like that. So I'm just going to stay right there, and I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying intermittent fasting. I feel amazing, guys. I hope you try it, and I hope you continue to watch these videos. And hey, if you have something you want me to talk about, if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.